Hello, sixth graders. This week we are doing some practice to prepare for an upcoming assessment kind of assignment where you have to perform and sing melodies. That is the plan. So this video right here is what you're watching to help you learn how to do this. So you're going to need the virtual piano, and then you're going to need these melodies to use right here in this folder. So let's open up the virtual piano. Here we go. Let's pop it out so we get our own window. Very good. Don't forget how to set this up. I like to turn off my sustain, and we need C4 to be our starting pitch here. And there we go, a C major scale. Ready to go. All right, so let me show you a little trick that I've learned here. What we're going to do is go back to the folder and pull up an example here. And you guys need to learn how to play this and then sing it. That's the plan here. All right, so here's our example. What I'm going to do is get the piano out of that window. Let's see, and let's shrink it up a little here, maybe like this. And look at that. I'm going to place it right underneath. Scroll up a little bit here. And look, we are like all set, just like we're sitting down at the piano, except it's touchscreen. You can reach out and hit it with your fingers. That would work. You know, whatever you got to do. But let's take a look at an example here. Level 1, example 3, I pulled up here. And so we are in the key of C. You must remember that the key of C means we're building our scale from Do being C. So that makes this one as Do. And we move from there. Do, re, mi, fa. Going from there. Remember, Do can move around the piano and it changes how your scale works. But we're starting with the most basic of scales, the key of C major. We use all the white keys. Okay? So let's look up here and see what we have to play. Well, the first note is not C, even though we're in the key of C. All right, Do is still C, so that means this is something else. Well, that is an E on the E line. Every good boy does fine, right? The E line. And so E is right here. So in solfege, let's see, Do, re, mi, it would be mi. And so our goal is to follow this and play all the notes all the way across on the piano correctly. Don't forget to hold out your half notes for 2 beats. So why don't we give it a try? Ready? Starting here, we're going to hit the E key. Let me see if I can do both at the same time. Guide your eyes. Ready? 2 beats. That one again. F. 2 of those. Up. Going up. Going up. Hold it out. Back down. Down we go. Same note. Down 1. 2 beats. And then down for 2 beats. There you go. Just like that, you've got it. That's what you're looking to do. Now, ultimately, we want to sing it while we play it. So starting over here, this E is mi in the key of C. So in the key of C, this one is mi because it's the 3rd one up. So here we go. Let's see if we can sing it and play it. There we go. Mi. All right, ready? Mi, re, mi, mi, fa, so, ti, do, ti. And the idea is, now that we're halfway through, is that you're going to make sure your pitch is correct by using the piano. So your voice is singing the right note. And you're like, wait, I stopped. You know, you got distracted. Your dog was barking. Your parents made you do a chore. Who knows? And you're like, I left off right here. What is that? That's an A. That is la. So let's see. La. And you can get the pitch and start really from anywhere. So right here, la. Let's go. And I'm even going to try to do it without playing them. La, so, fa, mi, mi. I forgot what that pitch sounds like. You know, that might happen to you. You're like, oh, re. Re, got it. Do. So you guys are going to use the piano to make sure you can sing them. But the step 1 would be, can you play it, right? Can you play it while singing it with solfege? Then can you just sing it with solfege? Maybe check in to make sure you have a right note here or there, but you got to have your pitch correct. Your voice has got to sing as high or as low as these notes are as you go, trying to remember the half notes, which leads me to the other things in this folder here. That was, well, let's see, these are out of order. I'm going to reorganize them. They're all backwards. I'll fix them. Yeah, look, they're all backwards. 3, 2, 1. So level 2 has got rhythms that include rests, dotted half notes, even whole notes you'll find in there. So I added more rhythms to them to make them a little trickier. But then if you really want to challenge, you can practice some of these level threes. And these are skipping notes. Look at that. Starts on do, skips up to mi. There's no re. See, there's where re would be. Skipped. So this is where it gets really tricky because you have to make sure you're skipping the note on the piano and that your voice is singing those correct pitches, right? So that's how this one goes. Then look at there. There's another one. Mi to so. You can notice right away. Look, it's a line note to a line note, so they stand out to you. Same thing. Like here's one. Here's one. If you're going from line to line, you're skipping. You can see it's further, but that is a giveaway. Look right here. Space to space. See? So watch out for those skips and see how you do. Those are pretty tough. I'll see you next week.